everyone, welcome to my channel April Flora. I'm Tushara. Today I'm gonna share with you my recipe for dahi chicken, a chicken curry in yogurt gravy. It's a very easy chicken curry that even beginners can make. All you need are some powdered spices, yogurt and ginger and garlic pastes. So let's see how it is done. The first and most important step of this curry is to marinate the chicken. Here I have around 500 grams of chicken. So we'll marinate it with some spices. Here I have a teaspoon each of salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, a tablespoon each of garam masala powder, coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder, that's optional. We'll also take 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste and a tablespoon of ginger paste. We just give it a mix and then we'll add the whole thing into the chicken. Now with my hand I'm going to coat the chicken pieces really very well with the spices. So we need to massage the chicken so that it absorbs all the spices. And here I have the most important ingredient, that is a cup of thick plain yogurt, that is curd or dahi. So we'll just beat it really well and add it onto the chicken and mix it in. So we'll now cover it and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Overnight marination would give the best results because yogurt is a meat tenderizer and you will get very butter soft chicken. Alright, the chicken has been marinating for about 30 minutes now. So now it's time to cook the chicken. For that you need a wide pan like this. It's heating over medium heat. One more thing about this curry is it is oil free. You may add around 2 tablespoons of oil if you wish, but I'm gonna make it oil free. So just onto the hot pan we'll add the chicken along with all the marinade. So now we'll let the chicken cook over medium to high heat until all the raw smell of the spices and ginger and garlic has gone. So it's been about 15 minutes now. You can see that the gravy has completely dried up. I was stirring it occasionally. So you can see that even though I had not added a single drop of oil, the fat from the chicken and yogurt has been released and separated from the gravy. So this is what we were looking for. So at this point I'll throw in some sliced green chilies. That gives a very nice flavor. You can add it as per your taste. I have added here 3 green chilies and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder for extra heat, although that's optional. And here I have half a teaspoon of kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves. We'll just crush it and add it. It gives a very nice flavor. But you can leave it out if you cannot find it. Just mix it in really well. I had not added any water up till now. So now I'll add around 1 to 1.5 cups of water depending on the amount of gravy you want. So now we can check for salt. I had not covered the chicken up till now. At this point we will cover it and let it cook completely. It may take around 5 to 7 minutes over medium to high heat. Alright, the chicken curry is all done and the chicken has completely cooked and the pieces are really very tender and flavorful because of the marination. Now I have switched off the stove. We'll garnish it with some coriander leaves or cilantro. So here's the final look of the yogurt chicken. So that was my recipe for dahi chicken or yogurt chicken. It tastes best with some steamed rice, but you can also serve it with any of the Indian breads. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button. It's a very simple chicken curry, so please do give it a try and post your feedback. And also subscribe to my channel. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.